Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the calculator and confirming orientation, portrait for simple math, landscape for the scientific layout with trig and functions. Make sure any prior calculation is cleared. Tap C so you begin with a 0. Once done, enter numbers directly or use the keypad. You can also copy a number from another app and paste it into calculator. You'll want to position the phone and use one hand if needed so your thumb reaches all keys comfortably while you proceed to calculate. You perform calculations by pressing digits then operators. For chained operations, make sure to tap equals between major steps when precision matters. In landscape, explore scientific keys like sin, cos, tan, ln, x, and xy to handle more complex equations. Use parentheses to control order of operations. You can long press 0 for degree symbol or swipe left on the display to delete a single digit and hold to erase continuously. Make sure to verify each intermediate result so errors don't compound during longer sequences. To finish, copy results by tapping and holding the display, then selecting copy so you can paste into notes or messages. This avoids retyping. You can enable accessibility features like voiceover or larger text to help with visibility, and make sure orientation lock is off if landscape tools aren't visible. If calculator freezes or acts oddly, force close the app or restart your iPhone. If the problem persists, update iOS to the latest version. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot first, then check for updates if issues continue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.